Okay, this next section is designed to help you with your rhythm practice. I've made up 4 drum beats for you to play along to, which is going to help you with your triplet playing and down picking while palm muting. And there's also going to be some extra palm muting exercises as well that involve the left hand. There's 4 exercises, so here's exercise number 1. Okay, the purpose of that first exercise is just to practice your palm muting, your down picking, and also adding a triplet on different beats of the bar. Now, as the backing track progresses, the triplet starts on 1, so you've got your down, up, down, and then the rest are down strokes. So if I was going to count and play, this is what it would sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And then progressively, the triplet moves throughout the different beats. So the second time round it's going to be on 2, third time round it's going to be on 3, and then fourth time round it's going to be on 4. So for the second beat it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that just kind of goes round 4 times each, and then the beat then swaps to the next one. So 1, 4 times round, 2, 4 times round, 3, 4 times round, and then 4, 4 times round. And then the same cycle happens again, except you're going to be doing a bit more muting with the left hand. So instead of just playing constant down strokes and then just holding the chord with your palm to let it ring out like this, in between each downstroke with your right hand, you're going to then mute the strings with your left hand. So you're going to have, as well as adding in the triplet as well. So you'd have, so that's kind of what you're doing. You're literally just alternating between down pick, mute with the left hand. And you know, hopefully with a bit of practice you'll be able to get it. Okay, so the purpose of exercise 1 is to really concentrate on your down picking and keeping it nice and even, you know, with the palm muting as well, and also getting your triplets in there and keeping everything in time so it sounds nice and tight. Okay, the second exercise we're going to be doing a similar sort of thing, but we're going to be adding in more triplets. So the first time round we're going to add triplets on beat 1 and 3, second time round triplets on 2 and 4, third time round triplets on 1 and 2, then fourth time round triplets on 3 and 4. Then we're going to go round again. The triplets will feature in the same place, but we're going to go back to muting with our left hand again like we did in example 1, and then we're going to finish. So here's exercise number 2. Okay, in exercise number 3, we're going to speed things up a little bit in the down picking and triplet department. It's pretty much the same sort of thing again, but it's going to be a bit longer, so it's going to be a kind of endurance thing as well. So, you know, it's really going to kind of build your muscles up and your wrist up as well with down picking. So let's have a look at exercise number 3. Okay, for that third exercise, again, it's just triplets and down picking. First time round is triplets on the first beat, second time round triplets on the second beat, and then on the third beat, and then on the fourth beat. And then we're doing combinations, so we've got triplets on beat 1 and 3, then triplets on beat 2 and 4, then we've got triplets on 1 and 2, then triplets on 3 and 4 after that. Then we've literally got triplets on every one. So, you know, by that point your wrist will probably be really aching. But, you know, it's really good practice for your down picking and triplets, and good endurance for your wrist as well. Okay, that takes us into exercise number 4, where we're going to be playing on the off beat this time. So we're going to be playing in between the beats. I'll do the exercise and then I'll explain afterwards. So here it is. Okay, as you can see with that last exercise, it's slightly different than all the others, where we're playing in between the beats. So before we were playing triplets on 1, 2, 3 and 4 beats in the bar. Now we're playing on the and in between each beat. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, you know, you're literally just going to play your down pick for the first beat, and then straight afterwards you're going to play a down, up, down, which will be in between beat 1 and 2. And that's for the first time round. So we've got 1 and for the first lot, and then we've got 2 and for the second lot, 3 and for the first lot, and 4 and for the fourth time round. And then we're going to do combinations again like we did before. So we've got 1 and then 3 and. We've then got 2 and then 4 and then we've got 1 and then 2 and together. And then we've got 3 and then 4 and together, and then we're literally playing on every and in the beat. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you know, hopefully it's just going to get you used to playing in between the beat as well, because when you play more complex metal rhythms, you've got on the beat triplets and between the beat triplets as well, and often there's combinations between the two. So hopefully these exercises are going to get you really tight, really clean, and used to playing more complex stuff when you come to it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to improvise some rhythms using the stuff that we've looked at in this DVD over one of the backing tracks, so you can see the possibilities of all the different rhythms that we've looked at. So here it is.